Body galore, facing life head on, blowing fresh at the door. No limits, all in it, yeah, be ready to soar. Every step that I take, every move that I make, anticipating, no more waiting, elevating the stakes. Some fools stride, eyes open, captivating the scene. True life, my time, liberating my dreams. Every challenge that I'm seeking to meet, I'm overcoming, steady grinding, keep my beat to the street. I keep my mind thinking wise, hoping better to keep. Rising high, go get it with the vision I see. I'm getting clever, yeah. And I'm hitting my stride, clock ticking, never missing, no reason to hide. City passing while I'm moving, and I'm taking it in. Hitting every door, crashing, and I'm wearing a grin. Through those alleyways, tucking, navigating the wake. Every package is a hustle, I'm wide and awake, no slowing, improving. Baking these cakes